Is WordPress good platform to develop website? WordPress is a content management system CMS. The software is usually used to build, modify and maintain websites. This software is useful in creating blogs, making business websites, e-commerce forums, job boards, portfolios, information portals, online learning portals, etc. This is considered to be one of the best website building tools on today's marketplaces. WordPress can be learned through KapilGuru's online platform. The learners can log in to the website to join the course. The course is conducted under the supervision of experienced and expert instructors. The process of joining the courses in KapilGuru is quite simple. This platform poses many special features which are very convenient and hassle-free for the students. A very significant thing about the courses is that the fee amount will be refunded if the student feels that the course is not suitable for him. KapilGuru's e-learning platform provides access to many useful courses which help to build the career of the students. Simultaneously, it is a considerable convenience for the mentors also to come on the platform to impart their knowledge and train the students to get perfection in their knowledge and skills. The developers design, implement and manage the website using WordPress. It's a free open source content management system. Companies like Visual Media Technologies, Software Solution, InfoBeans, India Nick, Infotech Limited, CSS Chopper, Elsner Technologies Private Limited, and many other companies are hiring WordPress professionals. This software is known for its popularity, powerful features, scalability, and ease of use. The unique features make WordPress one of the best website building tools of today's market. If we talk about the special characteristics of this software, it's open source and free to use. This is considered to be the ultimate div solution for website building and online stores. This software is extra versatile and can run any type of website. Another important characteristic of this software is that it's fast, quite optimized, and secure. This software is SEO ready and makes promotion on social media easier. You can log in to KapilGuru.com to know about more details and to join the course as well. Kapil Towers, ISB Road, Financial District, Nanakramita, Telangana, India. 918287001235